What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SRTAJ, man. Back with another video. Back with another banger, man. As y'all can see, we got the wide body. Finna do a POV in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Finna clean this car. And we finna get in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? This is a mid-monthly delete on this car. This car is straight pipe like I told y'all. This car just got it clean, but it's looking dirty again, you feel me? But I'm gonna give y'all a cold start on the wide body. Yeah! I swear the mid-muffler sound better. I don't care what nobody say, y'all. The mid-muffler sound way better, y'all. Hey, y'all, man, we in the wide body, man. I like the wide body more, though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I think I like the wide body a little bit more. Put the seatbelt on so y'all don't complain. Y'all, it's the same motor that's in my other car, but this one snatched more than me, y'all. Y'all, man, that's the other car, y'all, that y'all always be seeing me do content on. We in the wide body, you feel me? Yeah, feel me? We stuck at the light right now, y'all, so I'm probably about to pick y'all back up when we get on the highway. All right, y'all, man, we heading on the highway right now. I hope it ain't windy. I'm gonna roll the window up a little bit. Trying to see if I can race both cars. Boy, that car sounds so good. Sheesh. And that car pops. Yeah, I don't know if I want to go straight pipe because, like, it sounds good on this car, the straight pipe on this car, but, like, that car burbles and it pops off the mid, which is crazy to me, y'all. I need to get back up there. How we want to do this, y'all? Ooh! That's tight lookout. The truck just took. I don't know if y'all seen it. Bro, y'all don't understand. Like, it's different when you not in it. Like, I never seen my car, like, that car do that, you know? That motherfucker hard. What y'all think, man? Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe on the video if you're still watching, man. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 9K, y'all. Give me the 9K. All right, y'all. We are officially on the highway. Let's see what bro do. I can't wait to wrap that car, y'all. Wrap coming this weekend. Hopefully we can get it done. But it will be done before the end of this month. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right here on the screen. Right here on the screen, man. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Got the old charger motherfucker right there. Like y'all only seeing my hand.
Turn right onto Riverview Boulevard.
Man, this car sounds so good, y'all. Sounds so good, y'all. Y'all can see my boy right there behind me in the slim body and my slim body. Should I do a launch from the stop sign, y'all? What y'all think? Launch from the stop sign? Smooth little launch. Man, for this to be a wide body on 315s or 305s, man, it still don't hook, y'all. It's only 500 horsepower crank, for real, but 430 probably will. But it just won't hook, even with these big tires. It's crazy.
Next stop sign.
Y'all see this big ramp, this big circle. I'ma drift this one day, y'all. I don't know when, but I'm going to drift it, y'all. If y'all want me to drift to get this video to 50 likes. 50 likes on this video and I'll drift this ramp right here. This whole big circle, y'all. Sheesh.
In 4 miles, turn right into the parking lot.
I just love downshifting in the straight pipe scat. Hope it ain't windy, y'all. Should I cut up? That's what y'all want to see? My bad, y'all. That angle was terrible. You won't do it off the line. You won't race me off the line. You won't got it in you. You gotta ease into it, bro. You can't just stump on it. You gotta ease into it, gang. This motherfucker get loose too. Shit. Shit, this motherfucker just getting loose. That motherfucker crack on and pop.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought. Is she really in a class to win? Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a mag.